Tired of being chained to your desktop to manage your Solana tokens? Good news! Unlocking the freedom of managing your crypto on the go is easier than you think. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your existing Phantom wallet to your phone, so you can access your funds and NFTs wherever you are. This process involves either using your secret recovery phrase or scanning a QR code. So let's get started. First, if you haven't already, download the Phantom Wallet app from your phone's App Store. That's either the Apple App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Once downloaded, open the app. Now, instead of creating a new wallet, look for the option that says something like Import Existing Wallet or I already have a wallet. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap it. You'll now be presented with two options. The first is to input your secret recovery phrase, or the second option is to import via QR code. If you choose the secret recovery phrase option, carefully and accurately type in all 12 words of your phrase in the exact order. Double check for any typos. The second option is to use the QR code on your Phantom desktop wallet. Simply open up your Phantom Wallet desktop app. Access the settings menu and look for the option Connect to Mobile or Sync with Mobile. A QR code will then be presented to you. Simply line up the mobile app and scan. After successfully inputting your secret recovery phrase or successfully scanning the QR code, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your mobile wallet. This is separate from your secret recovery phrase and is used to unlock the app on your phone for daily use. Choose a strong password, but one you'll easily remember. And that's it. Your Phantom wallet on your phone should now be synced with your desktop wallet. You can now access your Solana tokens, NFTs, and decentralized applications on the go. You can now enjoy the true freedom of decentralized assets.